Escapee is a group for patients with chronic pain. It's a mixed bag of education and exercises, all bespoke, sort of tailored for them, centred at sort of rehabilitation. Specific program for 6 weeks. So we'll have a little talk, different topics, so things like pacing our daily activities, physical activity, and just general well-being lifestyle changes. And then the second half of the session is then exercise based. You can self-refer, so you can go in via the Keeping Me Well website, or you can be referred in via your GP or your physio. The next step, a lot of them progress on to what we call the Escapee groups. So that is, again, specifically tailored exercise sessions for the patient. So it's very much continuing, and it's run by the leisure centre.
They might have a chance to come down here and we show them what the Escapee circuit is like. They'll also have an opportunity to go out walking, so we have a walking group as well. We're all Tai Chi instructors, so we do a Tai Chi session along with like the relaxation talk, which works really well together.
So I'm a centre assistant here at the leisure centre, and I'm also a fitness instructor, so I take the fitness classes that we run here at the centre. So the session that we were at just then was a circuits class. So it was an escape pain circuits class, which is a class that's been put on to add to our programme for the escape pain programme after they leave that, so they can still do classes here at the centre.
Coming to the course really helped me. It just really helped me. It gave me some confidence that I could push through a barrier. Come here with a group and you're being directed to different exercises, that's very motivational for me.
I've never been a fan of the gym because I've never known what to do. Because you've got somebody there with you all the time, you know, that will show you what to do and follow the others in the group, so it's much better. The 3 of us still meet up to have a walk every week, so yes, that was good. Because the people who are in the same boat as yourselves with bad knees, bad hips, so I can feel better afterwards.